to test and review. And today, as you can see, I'm very excited to finally putting those lights onto my Jeep. If I can do it, you can do it as well. Here is all we need for the installation today. Here is 2 lights and the small mount that came with the light. And here is the wire and switch. And this is the mounting system that designed for my Jeep. The mounting system and the wire I got from Amazon, and the light I got from Lusfit. So let's begin.
The light we're gonna use today is a floodlight from Lusfit. It has its own connector, so you can connect it directly with the wire. It is very convenient to use it this way. This is a own mounting system from the light. Later we can connect the light with this mount like this. And we can mount the bottom part to the car. This light also comes with some screws and a hex key to fasten those screws. And here is the wire. There has 2 sides that can connect with the lights. As we showed before, the one side of the light can connect with the wire directly. Some light doesn't come with this connector, so you have to cut the side of the wire and then manually connect them together. And the other side of the wire is what you use to connect to your car battery. And the red one is the positive, the black one is the negative. Just connect it with the same color that you have on your car battery. And finally, here is the switch. This will finally goes into your driver's seat and you can control it when you're driving. This is a mounting bracket that I designed for my Jeep. We can attach this to my car and put lights on it. It also comes with a small padding. If you stick it to the mount, then put it on your car. It can prevent the damage of your car's paint. So the first step, we're gonna use everything from the lighting package and install the light to the small mount came with the light. You can see the brand name of the light, and this is facing the bottom. The big screw have 1 flat washer, 1 spring washer, and a nut. The 2 small screw that goes on the side have 2 flat washer and 1 spring washer. We start with install the small screw. The spring washer goes on it first, and then we put the flat washer. And after we put it on the mount brackets, the other flat washer goes on the other side. And then we tighten this screw into the light. And I try not to fasten them all the way because I want to be able to adjust them when I put both sides on. And after I'm done with one side, the same goes with the other side. Now I use the hex key to tighten both sides. In the end, I put the big screw on and attach the washer. We don't have to tighten this because we will have to use this to mount my light to the mounting brackets. Okay, great! Now I complete the first task and put the light together successfully. In this part, we will need the small tools that comes with the Jeep, which allowed us to take the screw off the Jeep. With a little strength, it's pretty easy to take this screw off the Jeep. And then we attach this padding to the mounting brackets. We can peel the back of the pad and simply stick it to the mounting brackets. After this is done, we use the 2 screws we just take off to screw back this mounting system to the Jeep. Now it's time to install the light. You can install 2 lights, but today we're going to be put it in the lower parts. We unscrew the bottom part of the light and use this screw to fasten it to the mounting brackets. Before you tighten it, you can adjust the angle and have it pointing the way you want. The last step, we fasten all the screws and make sure it's safe and steady. Ta-da! This is successfully mounted to my car. To be honest, I'm already pretty proud of myself at this stage. Okay, now it's time for the brain surgery for my car. We're gonna open the car's front cover. The front cover is attached to the car with a hook. Make sure you push it all the way to the right and it will open easily. First, we attach the wire to the car battery. The right wire goes to the positive side, and the black wire goes to the negative side. There are a lot of screws on the battery that can be used to attach this. We can just unscrew one of them and attach the wire on it. After this is done, you can divide this wire to 3 parts. One wire is used to connect to the light on the left. We can simply tidy the wire and then connect it with the light. Same goes to the other side. Then we came to the most difficult part, the switch. For Jeep, there is a hole that connecting the front part with the driving seats. I link my switch to a metal wire and use it to lead my switch into my driving seats. I push the metal wire all the way from the front part. And then, ta-da! I successfully put the switch to the driving seats. Now, here you go. The installation is complete. So this is everything we have for today's video. If you like it, please give us a big thumb up. And if you like more content about cars, overlanding, and outdoor, don't forget to subscribe us. I'll see you in the next video.